Winter plants that keep your garden alive when everything else dies. Most gardeners think winter means a dead, ugly yard. They couldn't be more wrong. Right now, while your neighbors stare at bare dirt and brown branches, your garden can be absolutely stunning. I'm Sam from Seniors Gardening Advice, and today I'm showing you 18 plants that will transform your winter landscape into something your neighbors won't stop talking about. And here's the best part. These plants are easy to grow, require minimal work, and they'll look incredible for months. Before we dive into these game-changing plants, if you love gardening tips like this, please hit that subscribe button. New videos every week. And throw a like on this one. It helps us reach more gardeners like you. Now, let's get started.
Section 1. Spring bloomers that start in winter. Plant number 1. Pigsqueak, or Bergenia Miss Piggy. Let me start with something special. The pigsqueak is one of those plants that reminds you spring is coming. This plant thrives in partial shade to full shade, making it perfect for those trickier spots in your garden. It grows well in zones 4 through 8, so most gardeners can enjoy this one. What makes the pigsqueak so amazing? The flowers. Bright pink blossoms sit on top of thick, shiny dark green leaves. When you see those pink flowers poking through the snow, your spirits will lift instantly. After the blooms fade, the leaves stay beautiful and thick, giving your garden tons of visual interest all season long. Plant this one near your patio or walkway so you can see it from inside during those cold winter mornings. Trust me, watching those first blooms emerge is pure magic. Like and subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice for more plants that beat the cold. Plant number 2. Lily of the Valley Shrub, or Pyrus interstella. Here's another winner that blooms early and gives you months of color. The lily of the valley shrub produces delicate ruby red flowers in late winter. These flowers don't just last a few weeks, they bloom for months, giving your garden consistent beauty through the toughest part of the season. This plant does great in sun or shade and grows in zones 5 through 8. The variety called interstella is especially beautiful and reliable. A couple of important tips. Protect this plant from harsh winter winds, especially if you live in the coldest parts of its growing zone. Also, add a thick layer of mulch around the base, about 2 to 3 inches. This keeps the roots cozy and helps the plant bounce back stronger in spring. Plant this one where you can enjoy those red blooms from a window. It's a real mood booster during cold months.
Section 2. Plants with stunning winter foliage. Plant number 3. Coral bells, Heuchera Heuchera, Dolce and Primo. Now here's where it gets exciting. Coral bells aren't just one color. They come in purple, silver, and even deep black. Your winter landscape needs color, and coral bells deliver it like nothing else. These plants grow in zones 4 through 9 and handle both sun and shade, depending on which variety you choose. They're perennials, meaning they come back year after year. The best part? You can grow them in pots to move around your patio or plant them directly in the ground. That flexibility is huge for any gardener. In winter, when everything else looks dull, those jewel-toned leaves stand out like living art. Mix and match different varieties to create a real showstopper. Imagine purple leaves next to silver ones against fresh snow. That's the kind of winter garden that makes people stop and stare. Don't forget to comment below and tell us which color you'd choose, and share this with someone who loves gardening. Plant number 4. Boxwood, Buxus, North Star. Boxwood is the classic choice for winter gardens, and for good reason. This evergreen shrub works in zones 5 through 9 and grows in sun or shade. You've probably seen boxwoods in fancy gardens, but here's the secret. They're easy to grow and tough as nails. Use boxwood to create hedges, borders, or formal garden designs. The North Star variety is especially cold hardy and keeps its color all winter long. Even in the depths of winter, your boxwoods stay bright green and formal looking. Boxwood is the backbone of classic winter gardens. Plant it, water it regularly when you're establishing it, and then just let it be. It handles winter better than most plants on this list. Plant number 5, Siberian Cypress, Microbiota, Celtic Pride. Looking for a ground cover that actually survives winter? Siberian Cypress is your answer. This evergreen grows in zones 2 through 7, making it one of the toughest plants we're talking about today. It tolerates light shade, dry conditions, and heavy deer pressure. In other words, it's nearly impossible to kill. But here's the beautiful part. In winter, Siberian Cypress takes on a russet purple tone, so instead of looking dull and dead like most ground covers, yours will have warm, rich color. Plant this in areas where other plants fail. On slopes, under trees, or in dry spots, Siberian Cypress handles it all and actually looks good doing it. Plant number 6, False Cypress, Chamaecyparis, Soft Serve Gold. False Cypress is the plant for adding style and structure to your winter landscape. It grows in zones 4 through 8 and prefers part sun to full sun. This evergreen has a beautiful form that works as a formal accent or specimen plant in your garden. Here's something magical. After a snowfall, False Cypress looks like it was designed to showcase winter. The snow catches on its branches in a way that makes the plant look like a work of art. Neighbors will ask what plant that is. Use it as a focal point or as a backdrop for lower growing plants. Either way, False Cypress adds year-round interest that's especially striking in winter.
Section 3. Berries and Bright Colors. Plant number 7, Red Twig Dogwood, Cornus Arctic Fire. No winter plant list is complete without the Red Twig Dogwood. These deciduous shrubs light up winter with incredible stem colors. Growing in zones 2 through 7, Red Twig Dogwood produces stems in rich red, bright yellow, or a combination of both colors. In winter, when everything else is brown, these bright stems are pure fire against the snow. Here's a bonus. Cut these stems for winter flower arrangements. Bring them inside and they'll keep looking beautiful in a vase. It's like bringing the garden right into your home. Plant Red Twig Dogwood where you can see it from inside, like near a patio door or window. In late winter, those bright stems remind you that spring is coming. Please comment on your favorite color, red or yellow. And if you haven't subscribed to Senior's Gardening Advice yet, now's the time. Plant number 8, Winterberry Holly, Ilex verticillata berry poppins. Winterberry Holly is one of the most reliable berry plants for winter color. This plant grows in zones 3 through 9, one of the widest ranges on our list. It loses its leaves in fall, but the payoff is incredible. Bright red berries that stay on the branches all winter long. The berry poppins variety is special because it's a dwarf. Most winterberry hollies get big, but berry poppin stays compact. That means you can use it in almost any garden space, even small ones. Here's the catch. Winterberry hollies need a male pollinator nearby to produce berries. But many neighborhoods have wild hollies that work as pollinators, so you might be covered. Or plant a male variety nearby if you want guaranteed berries. Those red berries aren't just beautiful, they attract birds to your winter garden. Suddenly, your yard becomes a wildlife refuge. Plant number 9, Blue Holly, Ilex messerfe, Castle Spire. Blue holly gives you that classic Christmas feeling all winter long. Growing in zones 5 through 7, this holly produces shiny evergreen leaves and bright red berries. It's everything people think of when they imagine holiday gardens. The Castle Spire variety grows upright and makes a majestic statement. Plant it as a specimen plant where it gets attention, or plant several for a stunning display. Here's the bonus. If you plant it near a male pollinator variety, it produces tons of vibrant red berries. Even without berries, the evergreen foliage keeps your garden looking green and healthy all year long.
Plant number 10, Inkberry Holly, Ilex glabra, strongbox. Inkberry holly is the native plant alternative to boxwood, and honestly, it might be better. Growing in zones 5 through 9, Inkberry holly is naturally resistant to disease, pests, and winter burn. That means less work for you and more reliability in your garden. The strongbox variety has a naturally rounded shape and grows faster than traditional boxwood. Use it for hedges or borders just like you would boxwood. If you want classic garden structure without the fussiness, Inkberry holly is your plant. It's tough, reliable, and looks polished all winter. Plant number 11, Pyracomeles, Pyracomeles berry box. Here's a plant that delivers a stunning berry show as winter arrives. Growing in zones 7 through 9, Pyracomeles starts with brilliant orange berries in late fall. As winter progresses, those berries transition to vibrant red. It's like your garden changes color right before your eyes. The plant has a quirky, interesting shape and lovely fine texture. Those berries last throughout winter, giving you months of color and interest. Plus, birds love them. Plant Pyracomeles where you want a focal point. That berry display will be the conversation starter in your neighborhood. Share this video with someone who loves winter gardening. Let them discover these amazing plants too.
Section 4. Texture and Movement. Plant number 12. Switchgrass, Panicum totem pole. Grasses might sound boring for winter, but trust me, they're not. Switchgrass grows in zones 4 through 9 in full sun. The totem pole variety is sturdy and handles tough winter weather. Here's what makes grasses special: the seed heads. In winter, especially under frost or snow, those seed heads look absolutely incredible. They create movement and texture when everything else is frozen solid. And they keep moving in winter winds, adding life to your landscape. Plant grasses in groups for maximum impact. Let those seed heads stand through winter. They're not dead, they're beautiful. Plant number 13, Panicle hydrangea, Hydrangea paniculata, firelight. Dried hydrangea flowers are hidden gems in winter gardens. Growing in zones 3 through 8, panicle hydrangea flowers bloom in late summer and early fall. But here's the magic. Leave them on the plant through winter. Those dried flowers look stunning with fresh snow on top. The firelight variety has strong, sturdy stems that stand up beautifully through winter. Even in chilly zone 3, this variety grows and flowers reliably. Plant hydrangeas in part sun to full sun. Let those flowers dry naturally on the plant. By January, you'll have architectural interest that looks like it was designed for winter. Section 5. Evergreen structure and privacy. Plant number 14, Juniper, Juniperus ginfizz. Juniper adds color, texture, and structure to winter landscapes. Growing in zones 4 through 8 in full sun, juniper produces blue-green berries that add color throughout winter. The pyramidal shape creates a striking specimen or a lush hedge for year-round privacy. Junipers are tough. They thrive in full sun, handle poor soil, and resist deer. Plant them where you want a focal point or where you need screening. Those blue-green berries catch light beautifully against snow. They're like tiny jewels scattered through your winter garden. Plant number 15, Yew, Taxus stonehenge. Yew is a versatile shrub with a narrow habit and a small footprint. Growing in zones 4 through 7, yew handles both sun and shade. The Stonehenge variety is perfect for adding formality to gardens or creating space-saving hedges. Plant one for a formal accent, or plant a dozen for a hedge that looks elegant even in winter. Yew is one of those plants that keeps working year-round without requiring much attention. Plant number 16, Arbor Vitae, Thuja North Pole. Arbor Vitae is another narrow, upright evergreen that's perfect for winter.
Growing in zones 3 through 8, arborvitae is hardy and resists winter burn. The dark green foliage stays vibrant all winter long, adding elegance to your garden during the coldest months. Use arborvitae for screening, windbreaks, or as a formal backdrop. It's one of those plants that just keeps looking good no matter what winter throws at it.
Plant number 17, 7 Sunflower, Heptacodium Temple of Bloom. Here's a tree that's unmatched in its beauty all year, but especially in winter. Growing in zones 5 through 9, 7 Sunflower is low maintenance and elegant. In winter, the leaves fall away to reveal the tree's graceful frame and stunning light tan, peeling bark. Plant this where you can appreciate its structure. The bare branches show off the beautiful bark like nature's art installation. It's a tree that looks better in winter than most plants do in summer.
Plant number 18, Mirror Bush, Coprosma Waxwing. Mirror bush is bright, vivid, and colorful every single day of the year. Growing in zones 9 through 11, mirror bush keeps its vibrant foliage through winter in warm climates. In colder regions, bring it inside during winter and enjoy it as a beautiful houseplant. This flexibility means gardeners in any zone can enjoy mirror bush. Just move it based on your climate and keep enjoying that year-round color.
Final thoughts. Your winter garden doesn't have to be drab, boring, or lifeless. With these 18 plants, you can create a landscape that's actually more interesting in winter than in summer. Mix and match these plants. Combine the berry producers with the foliage plants. Add grasses for texture. Use evergreens for structure. Before you know it, you'll have a winter garden that looks like it was professionally designed. The best part? Most of these plants are easy to grow. You don't need to be a gardening expert. Just plant them, give them basic care, and watch your winter landscape transform. Please subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice for more plant recommendations and gardening tips. Like this video, comment with your favorite plant from this list, and share it with someone who loves gardening. We release new content every week, and you don't want to miss it. Start planning your winter garden today. Your neighbors are going to be amazed.